Think of a device that can transform your night driving experience, offering amazing visibility even in complete darkness. Well, there is one, and this cutting-edge technology will change the way you see the road, making nighttime travel safer and more enjoyable. But that's not all. Stay tuned as we unveil this amazing gadget later in the video. Until then, let's dive into the world of innovative car accessories that promise to enhance your driving experience. From comprehensive vehicle monitoring systems to sleek phone mounts and advanced dash cams, we've got everything covered. Looking to add Alexa to your driving experience? The Amazon Echo Auto is a compact, easy-to-mount device that brings Amazon's voice assistant to your car. While it doesn't offer full integration with car systems like Siri with Apple CarPlay or Google Assistant with Android Auto, it provides a viable alternative for those who want to use Alexa on the go. The second-generation Echo Auto features a two-piece design connected by a 3-foot cable. The microphone module is a small rectangular capsule with action and mute buttons, and an LED light ring for Alexa. It attaches magnetically to your dashboard using an adhesive mount or an optional vent mount. The other end of the cable houses a small box with a built-in speaker, a 3.5mm port for auxiliary connection, and a USB-A plug for power. It can be powered via your car's USB port or a 12V car charger, which includes both USB-A and USB-C ports. Setting up the Echo Auto is straightforward. Plug it into your power source, open the Alexa app on your phone, and follow the prompts to pair the device. The Echo Auto integrates with popular services like Amazon Music, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts, but it has limitations. For example, it doesn't support YouTube Music and can be less reliable with CarPlay and Android Auto for media playback and navigation. The Echo Auto excels in providing hands-free voice control with a high-quality microphone, making it easier to interact with Alexa while driving. It's particularly useful for older cars lacking built-in voice assistance or Bluetooth capabilities. However, its functionality can overlap with what your smartphone already offers, especially if you have a reliable phone mount and are comfortable using Siri or Google Assistant. The analog radio signal will soon be switched off, leaving car owners without digital audio broadcasting receivers in silence unless they upgrade. The Pure Highway 400 offers an easy plug-and-play solution to this problem without the need to replace your existing stereo system. Installing Highway 400 is straightforward. The kit includes a receiver that sticks to the windscreen and plugs into a 12-volt socket and a wireless control box powered by 2 AAA batteries. You can neatly run the wires behind the A-pillar trim for a clean setup, attaching the optional magnetic grounding tail for optimal signal reception. The digital aerial sticks to the windscreen, and sticky clips help with cable management. To connect the Highway 400 to your stereo, you can use either an aux-in socket or broadcast to an unused FM frequency. The aux-in option provides a stronger signal, though it may require extra effort if your aux-in is located behind your stereo. Once set up, simply switch on your car, select aux-in on your stereo, and choose your station from the Highway controller. The Highway 400 also features Bluetooth connectivity for music streaming from your phone. It doesn't support phone calls, but it syncs with the Pure Go app for tagging songs. The first year of this feature is free, with a subscription required thereafter. Reception quality is generally good in strong signal areas, but can be patchy in rural locations. However, proper placement of the receiver and aerial can improve performance. The stick-on aerial, while adequate, may not be as reliable as factory-fitted systems. The Pure Highway 400 is a well-designed, user-friendly device that quickly upgrades your car to receive DAB signals. Though it may not offer flawless reception everywhere, it significantly enhances your in-car entertainment experience, making it a cost-effective and practical solution for those looking to modernize their car's audio system. Are you tired of slow and cumbersome charging pads? Meet the Boost Up Wireless Charging Pad 7.5 watts, your sleek, fast, and reliable solution. Designed in collaboration with Apple, this sleek and efficient charging pad supports iPhone models 8 and later. Just place your phone on the pad to enjoy fast charging speeds of up to 7.5 watts with iOS 11.1.2 or later. The Boost Up can charge through most lightweight plastic cases up to 3mm, so there's no need to remove your case. This charging pad also supports all QI-enabled devices, including Samsung, LG, and Sony, delivering up to 5 watts of power. Its non-slip surface ensures your phone stays in place while charging, and a solid green LED light indicates proper alignment and charging. If a metal object or misalignment is detected, an amber light alerts you to ensure safe operation. Engineered for optimal performance, the Boost Up wireless charging pad features premium components and a fanless design for quiet operation. Its intelligent chipset, thermal protection sensor, and enhanced foreign object detection provide maximum efficiency and safety. Compatible with lightweight plastic cases up to 3 mm, it offers convenient and hassle-free charging. Available exclusively at Apple, this special edition delivers up to 25% faster charging for iPhone 8 and later. With a premium stainless steel construction and polished chrome finish, it complements your iPhone perfectly. Additionally, it supports wireless charging for AirPods with wireless charging case and AirPods Pro. Simplify your charging routine with the Boost Up wireless charging pad, 7.5 watts, a blend of convenience, safety, and sleek design, compatible with all key-enabled devices and designed to keep your iPhone charged and ready. Transform your car into a smart vehicle with the Nonda Zus, a compact and versatile Bluetooth gadget that plugs into your car's onboard diagnostic or OBD2 port, offering features like fault detection, mileage tracking, driver behavior analytics, and car location. Controlled via an app, all you need is a smartphone to diagnose vehicle issues. It's designed to remain plugged into the OBD2 port, the same port used by mechanics for diagnostics. The Nonda Zus comes in a compact box with a vehicle health monitor, casing, and user guide. Assembly is straightforward. Just clip the casing onto the monitor. To start using it, download the ZUS app from Google Play or the Apple App Store. Plug the device into your car's OBD2 port and enter your car's vehicle identification number into the app. The device will then scan for issues across various systems, including the gearbox, engine, and brakes. If any issues are found, you can view detailed information and even clear fault codes, a task typically reserved for mechanics. The Zus not only diagnoses vehicle issues, but also tracks driving data such as speed, revs, and mileage. It can locate your car using GPS, perfect for large parking lots or unfamiliar areas. The app also has an emergency section to find nearby hospitals, police stations, and road assistance. The Zus draws minimal power, 5 to 8 mA, but it's recommended to unplug it if the car won't be used for a week or more to avoid battery drain. While Nonda offers a premium package with additional features, the free version of the app is sufficient for everyday use. The Nonda Zus is compact, measuring 5 cm by 2.5 cm by 2 cm, and complies with CE, FCC, and Restriction of Hazardous Substances standards. It's designed to be a cost-effective and practical solution for monitoring your vehicle's health. Discover the Amazon Echo Auto that allows you to use Alexa for various tasks, the Pure Highway 400 for effortless DAB radio, the 7.5 watts wireless charging for a sleek yet fast and reliable charging pad, and the Nonda Zus for comprehensive vehicle monitoring. These top-of-the-line tools are just the beginning. Stay tuned for more exciting gadgets designed to make your drive safer, smarter, and more enjoyable. Like, subscribe, and comment below to stay updated with the latest in automotive technology. Your support helps us bring you the best reviews and tips. Looking for a sleek and efficient way to keep your iPhone charged and secure while driving? The Iottie Velox wireless air vent mount is a magnetic phone mount that offers wireless fast charging for MagSafe-compatible iPhones. Simply place your device against the mount, and it will snap into place, delivering up to 7.5 watts of wireless power. The mount is easy to install, sliding onto the air vent blades with silicone grips to prevent slipping. The ball joint allows for full adjustability, ensuring a safe viewing angle while driving. Designed specifically for MagSafe-compatible iPhones and cases, the Velox wireless air vent mount provides efficient charging with a durable aluminum casing that helps dissipate heat, and the siliconized surface keeps your phone secure. It offers a maximum output of 7.5 watts, sufficient to keep your iPhone powered on the go. Installation is simple, with silicone prongs providing a secure grip on the air vent, and the strong ball joint allows you to adjust the viewing angle to suit your needs. The Iottie Velox is also equipped with a USB-C charger, ensuring you have everything needed for immediate use. The magnetic hold is strong, ensuring your phone stays in place even on bumpy roads or during sudden stops. The Velox mount is compatible with iPhone models starting from 12 up, as well as their respective MagSafe cases. Although the Velox is not MagSafe certified, it still offers efficient charging with active cooling to prevent overheating, making it a competitive option among similar products. It's especially useful for those who frequently use navigation or other battery-intensive apps while driving, as the cooling feature helps maintain charging efficiency. Meet the Ring handheld tire inflator, your compact, portable powerhouse for on-the-go inflation needs. The Ring handheld tire inflator is a compact, portable device, weighing just 486 grams and measuring 17 centimeter long by 6.8 centimeter at its widest point. This lightweight design makes it easy to carry in a rucksack, luggage, or even tuck under a car seat. It comes with a bicycle carrier that resembles a bottle cage, a drawstring carry bag, and a 15 centimeter hose with a Schrader valve suitable for motorcycles, cars, and mountain bikes. An adapter for Presta valves and a needle for inflating sports balls are also included. Inside the RTC 2000, there are two 3.7 volts 18650 cells rated at 2600 mAh each, powering a small motor that drives the pump. Despite its compact size, it can inflate a car or bike tire efficiently. The device features a built-in torch and can function as a power bank, providing up to 5.2V and 2.2A for charging high-draw devices. The LED display shows pressure in PSI, bar, or kPa with 4 memory settings for quick inflation to preset levels. The inflator automatically stops when the desired pressure is reached. The LED indicator displays the battery level through a color-coded system: green for full or nearly full, yellow for about half, and red for low. However, it lacks a pressure release valve, so deflating overinflated tires requires manual intervention. Performance tests showed that it could bring a motorcycle tire from 36 psi to 42 psi in just 1 minute and 29 seconds, and inflate a fully deflated front tire to 36 psi in under 4 minutes. Even after extensive use, the pump remained effective, though it is advisable to allow it to cool after extended operation to prevent overheating. The Ring RTC 2000 is not only ideal for daily tire pressure maintenance, but also serves as a reliable emergency pump. It's accurate within 0.5 psi, making it a trustworthy tool for inflating tires. It can also inflate sports balls quickly and maintain its charge over extended periods, although it takes about 3 hours to fully recharge. Its convenience and versatility make it a valuable addition to your vehicle or travel gear. The Ring RTC 2000 offers excellent value, particularly for its versatility. Its small size allows for easy storage in a car boot or bike bag, making it perfect for emergencies and regular tire maintenance. Its additional functions, such as inflating sports equipment and serving as a power bank, add to its utility. The built-in LED light is handy for use in low-light conditions. Overall, the Ring RTC 2000 is highly recommended for its ease of use, portability, and multifunctionality. Looking for a reliable and affordable dashcam with excellent video quality? The Viofo A129 Duo is a standout choice. This dual camera system captures sharp 4K footage from the front and 1080p Full HD from the rear, making it perfect for comprehensive road coverage. Despite its unassuming design and basic hardware, the Viofo A129 Duo delivers impressive performance. The front camera's 4K resolution ensures clear images and easy identification of details like road signs and license plates, while the included GPS module adds precise speed and location data to your recordings. The package includes handy tools like a cable tucking tool, adhesive clips, and a 12 volts power adapter with dual USB ports. Optional accessories, such as a polarizing lens cover and a Bluetooth remote button, further enhance functionality. Though the Viofo A129 Duo's design feels dated, and the hardware isn't as polished as some competitors, its core performance remains strong. The interface is straightforward, with a simple button layout and a user-friendly app that doesn't require account creation. However, the app can be clunky, and the setup process could be smoother. Video quality, especially from the front camera, is outstanding. The high bitrate and Sony Exmor R sensor ensure detailed and crisp footage, making it easy to capture key details, even in challenging conditions. The rear camera, while only 1080p, provides adequate coverage, though a wider viewing angle would be beneficial. Enhance your night driving with the Lanmodo Vast Pro. The Lanmodo Vast Pro is a cutting-edge dual 1080p night vision dashcam designed to enhance driver visibility in low-light conditions. Comparable to high-end factory-installed night vision systems, it is much more affordable, offering significant safety improvements through advanced algorithms. Lanmodo, known for innovative products like car protective umbrellas, now presents the Vast Pro. Unlike typical dash cams that mainly record for insurance purposes, the Vast Pro includes a night vision system, providing clear views up to 300 meters ahead and adding up to 12 seconds of reaction time, crucial for accident prevention. The package includes a dashboard support, a suction cup with washable adhesive, a screwdriver, and 2 power cables for the 12-volt socket and OBD port. The 8-inch IPS screen with a 5-megapixel camera captures full HD videos, stored on a separately purchased micro SD card. The device's night vision capabilities surpass headlight limits, ensuring sharp images even in total darkness. The camera's buttons must be mastered, as the device is not touchscreen. Installation is simple, with the Vast Pro integrating seamlessly with the dashboard. It attaches securely to the dashboard or windshield, ensuring stability during impacts. The device powers on easily, and although it lacks Italian language support, its interface is user-friendly. Lanmodo Vast Pro performs well on various roads, from busy highways to unlit construction zones. The night vision feature will significantly improve one's ability to see distant objects, enhancing safety and awareness. However, the display can experience glare from oncoming headlights, affecting visibility on busy roads. Despite its high price, the Lanmodo Vast Pro is a valuable investment for its build quality and performance. The lightweight plastic housing may feel less substantial, and the anti-slip mat's design seemed imperfect, but the device remained stable. The display effectively handled motion without distortion, although glare from headlights was an issue. All in all, the Lanmodo Vast Pro offers a comprehensive solution for night driving with an additional rear-view camera available. While it doesn't record video, it provides real-time visibility improvements, crucial for safe driving in various conditions.
Oh my God! Wow!
Thanks for joining us on this journey through innovative car gadgets. We've covered the Amazon Echo Auto for Alexa integration, the Pure Highway 400 for DAB radio, the 7.5 watts wireless charging for a sleek yet fast and reliable charging pad, and the Nonda Zus for vehicle monitoring. We also introduced the Iottie Velox for secure phone mounting and charging, the Viofo A129 Duo for top-notch dash cam footage, the Ring RTC 2000 for on-the-go inflation needs, and the Lanmodo Vast Pro for enhanced night driving. Each device offers unique benefits, enhancing safety, convenience, and enjoyment in your car. Like, subscribe, and comment below to stay updated on the latest gadgets. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll reveal the next-level gadgets you won't want to miss.